So, good morning again to everybody. We are here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted within these couples? At ako mga traffic ang wedding ako, no awan, let us continue until they can matuban. Okay. Reynalyn, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Jensen Frank, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? O sige, maduwa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed. Okay? Sige, karot. Jensen Frank, will you have Reynalyn to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? O Reynalyn, will you have Jensen Frank to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay, kising-sing, pakinuwaran. And follow after me, bagam di bagak. Jensen Frank, muna ka. Alam niyo yung ring finger ni Reynalyn, okay? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, seven lang, Reynalyn, follow after me, bagam di bagak. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, sumangon kayo toy. Dagijay payo, apo kinwish, dagijay parents yan kasal. Muna kayo tapos bagayon, ikaw baga. Payo kinwish ako.
Jensen and Reynalyn, since you bound as a husband and wife, the most important here is you have to bear in mind the respectfulness with each other. Respectfulness and respect also your visitors, whoever comes into your house. Whether on your father's side or mother's side, treat them as the same. That's all, and I thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you, apo. Salamat kay Kibaga. Kini Jensen Frank, kini Reynalyn. Payo kinwish kinala.
Taman daw na anong paranutin para sa sayo kung ito na daw. Na nakalay sa kayo ito kasi panang ngaywan mo kung pamilya niyo. Na ganun yung ipinito lang daw mga panakalay sayo. Kasi panag inainait yung mga hindi na nakapagbiyan.
Thank you na. Sumama kayo na ito eh. Ha? Namin kayo Kibaga. Dagijay wish kin payo dagijay kasal. Represent ka dito.
Yung tangay kasal kayo na talagang kasi kayo kinaikarin-kari, ito yung baga mo kanyayon man ko, respeto, iti tunggal may sa ajino iti isan kan iti pamilyo love kan love iti ako so ajino kasla ang pinamara ajino tapos nanyaman ti panagayat yung di naganak yun kasta tilay kamangan yun tapos napintas ti panagdim na diay lang.
Thank you. Sumama kay Jelly Goodman, balik yung friends and family at that point. Marang tayo na, namin get to ipayo, wish na kikasal.
Naimbag na ang gawin ng mayor, ang karatayang amin. Imparan nyo ti ayan-ayat nyo, tanin nyo, yung karatan niya sponsor, kanlula, kung naganak karatan nyo. Dahil lang daw, P9 iso ito, panagawat nyo iti saksi, ti ayan-ayat nyo. Sa kaya kuma, dahil ayan-ayat na karatan nyo, aging ga iti panungpalan. At ada kumati respeto, kasto namin namin. Importante gamin yung respeto, kan panagayan at mga yung adati ng mga pag-awatan, dahil importante na isorbaan ito mga damos na dahil mga pagpihan na pag-awatan. So, adati ba sito yung kanyang nag-awatan, dahil mga pagpuntuan na.
Mahalin niyo ang mga magulang at ganahin ang pagkanan. Kung may problema, pag-usapan ng ayos, huwag kayong magkahan. Mananatili ang pagmamahal, bawat isa sa inyo at respeto. At saka suporta.
Thank you. Kaya po, there's a wish kinagpayo, Jake, data? Ay,
Imbag nga pangagaw ako mayor. Dati may pagakmat. Lalo na nga may pagakmat din ay ruwis nga dati community sulti. Kaya lang. Yan.
thank you. And then, sige, mga kapatid. Ang iba na, Jensen, okay. O, tataman ka daw, vows mo, Renalyn, as a wife to your husband. Basahin mo. From the heart, taping saam tap pamang everybody.
On this special day, in the presence of God and all His witness, I pledge my love to you. The decision to commit my life to you and share a family with you is one I make after and with all confidence and secure knowledge that you will be my constant friend, faithful partner in life, and my one true love. I promise to love you without reservation, comfort you in times of distress, encourage you to achieve all of your goals, grow with you in mind, and in spirit, cherish you and the family that we share together. You have shown me your love and support, and I thank you for that. I praise God for you and our children. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. Today, I give you my hand to hold, my life to share, and my heart.
Thank you. Oh. Jensen Frank, anamit kahit may baga, vows mo to your wife.
Pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita at laging nasa tabi mo sa lahat ng pagsubok na ating nakakating. Nangako ako na palaging magiging tapat sa'yo ano man ang mangyari, lagi kitang aalahin at papasayahin. Magtutulungan tayo sa mga plano natin sa buhay para sa na po nating pamilya. Yun lang. Salamat.
Thank you. Sige. Okay, man. All hands. Okay. By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresco III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Sige, sinang picture. Ready kayo na po? Sige. You may now kiss the bride. Matindi pa. Nala ako, nala.
Mabadi ka no,
Ah,
ano lang siya.
silent kiss. Sabay. Okay?
Dapat rin tino.
Sige, ganun. Sino ang-witness kayo? Pirma kayo. Copy sa wishes. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, picture kay Apo. Jay, parents, may na, parents? Nampi mo naman ka. Yan. Okay, ilang. O, ninong nilang Apo. Ninong nilang.
Seki. May kurang may isa naman.